Mamus, I would love to say gratulerer sumie medagen. Ayan, hindi man ako nakarating sa birthday party mo na napakasaya, napanood ko na silang lahat. So, eto, pinararating ko sa'yo ang aking birthday greetings and wishes for you. I wish you good health as always. Of course, your happiness with your loved ones, with your family, with Kuya Oivin, and of course, you are very rich, surrounded with all your friends, and many years to come, more birthdays to come. This is your milestone, Mami, Mamus. You're already 60, pero you doesn't look like one. Parang magkasing age lang tayo, Mamus. So, your party, and I'm so happy, I really happy na naka-attend si Ate Jamie sa sa kaarawan mo, Mamud. Once again, happy birthday, Mami. Happy healthiest birthday to you, Mamuds. We love you.
If you see the city, yeah,